Let's take a look at element templates inside of the HighLevel Page Builder, a feature that lets you save any single element like a button, images, or headlines and reuse it instantly across all your funnels and websites. This is perfect for keeping your designs consistent, speeding up your builds, and making sure that every page stays on brand without starting from scratch. Imagine you've created the perfect call to action button, your brand colors, rounded corners, and just the right text, and instead of recreating it on every new page, you can save that button as an element template and then reuse it across all your different funnels with just one click. Here's how it works. Inside your HighLevel sub account, if you come over to sites and then up to funnels or websites, and then jump into an existing website or create a new one from scratch, I will click on this example and then go to the edit page. Once you're inside the builder, you can come over to the element that you want to save. So let's say I built out this button over here and I want to save that as an element template so that I can reuse it every time I start a new page. What you can do is click on it, and then in the left hand side you'll see this button right over here. This is the save element button. When you click on it, you can give it a name, and then you have the option to save that element as an element template or a universal template. An element template is pretty much saying that you want to save it as a copy, but the universal template will save the element across the account level, meaning if you change it in one place, it will automatically sync across all the other places that that element is added to. So I'm going to click on this one here, click on save, and now this element has been saved as a template. To access your templates, all you have to do is click on the plus button wherever you want to drop the button in, or the element that you've saved. So click on the plus. Then on the left hand side here, you'll see saved assets. Then depending if you saved it as an element template or a universal template is where you'll find that element saved under. In my case, it was the element template, and as you can see, here's my button, where I can grab it and put it into any place on the builder. Another slightly longer way to save an element is to come up to layers. You can do that by clicking on layers in the top left corner, come to your section by clicking on page, finding your section, and then going down the drop down menus until you find your element. Like in my case, my button is on this one. I can toggle this down and then find the button. Once I do that, I can click on the three dots right next to it and then click on save element. When I do, it will take me to the same page as before, but again, it's a slightly longer way to do it. And that's how you can use the element templates inside of the HighLevel Page Builder to save time, stay consistent, and build faster. For more information about this or other HighLevel features, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, blog, and help docs. The link's on the description below.